because my country empowers me.
Because serving the nation is my duty and my honor.
Because India's culture beats in every heart.
Because Indian women are shaping the future with courage.
Because a nation is strongest when its families stand together.
Because my dreams are made in India.
I love my India.
Because technology connects us, but love for India unites us.
Because every voice, every heart can create real change.
Because protecting India begins with loving India.
Because my students are the heartbeat of tomorrow.
Because I want to leave a united India for the next generation.
Because I believe in every Indian child.
Because no matter where I live, India lives in me.
Because serving the nation is my duty and my honor.
One heart.
One India.
One historic moment.
Hi India, this Republic Day, we are joining Hand Heart Movement.